Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. My name is Tammy. This is Ella. And this video is brought to you by ROMP. ROMP reached out to me through an email. It's a small pet company. And they asked if I would like to pick out a product from their company and do a video for them. And of course I said, sure, I would love to. I picked out something and they sent it to me right away. I'm going to show it to you. I've already opened the box, but I'm gonna pull it out of the box and show you what I picked. We're gonna do that here in just a second. And I'll show you what the product is. We'll get right on into that here in just a minute. So stay tuned. Hey y'all, so I am back here with my package from ROMP. Like I said, I've already opened the box, so it didn't have to take so long. But I'm pulling it out, and this is what I picked out. These are some pet wipes. They are all-purpose grooming wipes for dogs and cats. And I thought I was just getting this one pack to try out. I thought that's what they were sending me, but no, they sent me this as well. And this I have not opened yet. But this says ROMP all-purpose grooming wipes for dogs and cats. They're biodegradable, hyperallergenic, fragrance-free. There's 80 count in here. So this is a big old box of them. So isn't that great? Like I said, they reached out to me and asked me to do this for them, and I said yes, because we live in, well, no matter where you live, I'm sure you want to keep your little pet family friends paws clean, because they jump up on your bed, your furniture, you know, wherever, and you want to keep their little paws clean. No matter where you live, they get into mud, you know, and stuff. So you want to try to keep their paws clean. Now I know some people, I've used baby wipes before, but they lick their paws. So it's best to use something that's really good for them. These are green tea, and they also have no scent. Non-scentable. Let's see what they smell like. I picked the green tea. Which, they're very light scent. I really can't tell what they smell like. They don't really have much of a scent. So they're very light scent. Like I said, these are all natural. And this is a very nice scent. They're all biodegradable. It's a very small new company, so you may have never heard of them. I will be placing their link down in the description under this video for these, and for any, you can go check their website out for their product. So they are stretchy. You can see that they stretch nicely. They do not rip like baby wipes will end up ripping. I'm tugging. You can see I am really tugging there. You can see how much it stretches, so they don't rip. That's nice. And like I said, they smell nice. Not a strong scent. And they feel nice. Like I don't mind putting this to my face, because I know they're all natural and everything. So vegan, friendly, all that. Let's try them on her little paws. So you can use this all over your pet, not just her paws. You can use them on her eyes, you know, when they get little, which she's not happy about. She don't like to be messed with. She's an old girl. You know how they get stuff in their eyes. You can clean out their ears, which which I bet her ears are filthy. Yeah, she doesn't like that at all. I know, girl. I know. She says, what are you doing to me? I know. And I'm sure her ears do need to be cleaned out. You can go down their coat with them. You know, like in the wintertime, you know how you can't really bathe them because it's too cold, especially where we live. But this will just make them smell a little better. So these are nice to use. And she has been kind of stinky lately because it's been winter time. Let's see. Oh, that does make her smell a little better there. Yeah, you don't stink so bad now. That's nice. You smell a little better now. That's nice. I like that. You smell a little bit better. So these are nice. I definitely recommend them for your pets. I definitely wanted to try them out and see how they worked on Ella. And they work nicely. She doesn't mind it too bad. At least it's not water. She's not real crazy about getting a bath anymore. She likes it afterwards, but just not, you know, she's not minding it too bad. So yes, check the link out. Check this company out. Like I said, it's a brand new company trying to get started. So they've got just a few products. When I checked their site out, and I thought, yes, I'll support them and show you what they've got. I wanted to try these out and show you what I picked. Go check them out. And thanks for watching. Y'all have a blessed day, and I'll see you again soon.